I think we can definitely tell these were bad. 57 years old, you think they'd make better stuff. But yeah, definitely making a racket. Let's go take it for a drive and see if the noise went away. By the way, this is the part number. She got this on eBay. I'll try to put a link in the description. Let's go take it for a ride. Okay, so we went for a ride. We found a stick. The stick is what fixed the rattle, not the new bushings we just put in. Now, I did, from what you just saw, I did go out for a drive through my little suburb, and it still makes a noise. I was like, what the hell? It's still rattling. Just a little bit of blow by. Choo, choo, choo. So anyways, it was still rattled. What the hell? So I aired up the suspension all the way, so it's super tight so it wouldn't bounce, you know, because I thought it was bouncing back and forth. Nope. I don't have shocks in the front, but it would still rattle at slow speeds. Then I took the stick and look. This worked better. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's not good. So that's obviously very loose. So let's take it home and find a new V-band or order another one. Anyways, thanks for going along on the journey. I still need to replace the bushings regardless because they were bad. But hey, we're gonna keep whatever, fix it fab. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I don't care. I'm gonna be pushy, but if you like what you see, consider watching some more of the videos. And don't forget to follow me and QC Gearhead Car Club YouTube channel, link below. Thanks for watching. This is Fix It Fab.